Hello everyone, I'm Padmaja from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to see where exactly your screenshot been saved in your Android phone system, along with that in your PC. So be with me till the end of this video so that you will not miss anything. So let's begin. Now, File Manager app. Now in File Manager, you will find internal storage option over here. In internal storage, when you scroll down, you will find the CIM option. In the CIM, you will find a screenshot option over here. When you will open a screenshot option, there you will find all the screenshots being located over there. And whenever you take a screenshot, it directly goes and stores in this screenshot folder. Now this is all about an Android phone where exactly your screenshot goes and saved. Now let's see about your PC, where exactly your screenshot saves in your PC when you take a screenshot of it. Now I'm just going to take a screenshot of my desktop. To take a screenshot of your desktop or take any screenshot, you just need to enter Windows plus print screen of your keyboard. Now go to the this PC option. When you go to the this PC, there you will find a pictures folder. In pictures folder, there is a screenshot folder been located, and in this folder all the screenshot has been saved. From here you can extract your screenshots. So that's all. If you want more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in a comment box. If you like this video and find it useful, please press a like button and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.